Hey everybody, how's it going? This is your boy Jovenel and I'm back with Honda content. Finally, if you guys are not subscribed to the channel, please do so, and please like, comment, subscribe, the whole nine, like always, so you guys could help me promote my YouTube channel so I could be giving out, you know, giveaways like these right here, but I'll get to that in a sec. Sorry everybody who came to my channel for some Honda content. You guys been seeing that I've been working on this car right here. This is my second car that I've owned, and this is a Mazda RX-8. This car shoots a whole lot of flames, something that the Honda can't do. So this is why I'm working on this car. This is gonna be a drift build. But before I tell you guys the reason why I haven't been posting any videos of the Accord, I'm gonna let you guys know right now. Okay, so as everybody know, I was supposed to be doing a free giveaway at 2,000 subscribers, and I've reached 2,500 subscribers. I truly thank everybody who's been tuning into my channel. It's been growing a lot and I haven't been even posting anything, so I want to thank you guys. These are the taillights that I'm going to be giving away for free to one of my subscribers. They don't have the animation when you turn the light on. It has like this view right here that you're looking at. No animation included in the one that I got. Oh yeah. Hey guys, say hi. Say hi to everybody, Jay. Oh, it's saying that it's a she, so it's a he. Jeremiah. So for the people that are tuning to this giveaway, this is all you need to do in order to get in it. So what I need you guys to do is send a up-to-date picture of your Accord with stock taillights, because I don't want to give it to somebody who already has the same taillights, you know. And once I have a list of the people, then I will be doing a raffle on the computer, and that's gonna decide who's gonna be the person, that one winner to get the taillights, and I'll ship it within 3 to 7 days. Again, my IG is gonna be down below like always, and you guys have to send me a up-to-date picture of your Accord. That's all I need from you guys. So now that I got this giveaway out the way, now we're gonna get into the bad stuff. Why I haven't been posting any videos of the Accord. Don't get me wrong, I love this car, but it's been costing me a lot of money. Probably like 3-4 weeks ago, I took the car in to get it checked. I wind up spending, I believe, $180 to get the whole entire thing checked, and the Honda dealership told me that I had $3,000 worth of parts that needed to get fixed on the Accord. So as you can see right here, it says that the rear brake pads and rotors need to be replaced. Also with the caliper, they said I needed a brand new spark plug, valve adjustment, fuel injector, and the oil leak that's been going on with my car for quite a while now, and that's kind of some bullshit right there, because I got this fixed 3 times and I have to pay it this time. So the thing is, my warranty ended in May and all this started happening in June. With all this adds up to roughly around $3,000. So what I've been trying to do is save up money and try to get this car fixed. I went from almost spending $3,000 on the car. I have a video of me replacing and rotors, the brake pads and rotors. The pads on this brakes are always wearing down very fast. I believe in the front two have like 7mm of brake pads. Driver's side rear has 7 also, and this one had 1. As you can see right here, this is it. Barely anything left. Here's the other side. Caliper, that was the issue that was causing the pads to, you know, wear out quick. Honda dealership didn't write that on the paper the last time I got the car checked, the brakes checked. They just said I needed the rear brakes and rotors, so I changed the rear brakes and rotors. Honda Mobile Mechanic, that's what his name on IG. It's gonna be on throughout the video. I highly recommend, if you guys need anything done to your vehicles, go to him. Like I said, I went from almost spending $3,000 on parts and labor. This guy hooked me up to the fullest. Like, I can't I'm always gonna bring my car to him for any issues, any modifications that I can't do by myself. Honda dealership wanted $1,500 to get the fuel injectors done. Like I said, my warranty ended in May, and after 2 weeks, I started having fuel injector issues. Car would, you know, go on limp mode where it would drive only 15 miles per hour. Couldn't do anything. I had to use a different car to go to work, and it was giving me a headache. My buddy, again, Honda mobile mechanic, he hooked me up and installed the fuel injectors for me. I forgot to take pictures of the new ones, but it is on his Instagram. As you can see how black the tip is, and there's like little holes over here where the fuel goes into the engine, and it's pretty much clogged up. It also said I needed spark plug. The cylinder that was giving me the most trouble was cylinder 3 right here. These are the original spark plugs that were inside of the car. The third cylinder was the one that was always misfiring, and that's the reason why it went on limp mode. So these are the 3 spark plugs. Now this is the third cylinder spark plug right here. Wow. You see that? Look at that compared to the other ones where you could actually see. Crazy, right? I strongly urge you guys, if you guys have an issue with your Honda, bring it to this guy. His pricings are unbelievable. I'm telling you guys right now. So now the car runs perfectly fine. I drove this car from Newark all the way back home. No car issues whatsoever right now. I'm gonna give you guys a rundown on the car. I know a lot of people been asking me, does your parts still work? Yes, everything still works on my car, okay? Tail lights, I got them a year ago. They still work, they still do the animation. Reflectors is pretty bright outside, so I don't think you guys can see it that much, but they are on. The duck wing still fucking on there, strong as hell. Spoiler, window spoiler still on there. Carbon fiber gas tank still on there. I'm still using the spacers right over there. Okay, so now we're gonna go to the front. And now, as you guys can see, daytime running light with the fog light. Everything still works. Turning signal lights for the fog lights still work. When you go inside, nothing much done to it. Still got a little bit of the carbon accent pieces still on there. The stars, they still on, working perfectly fine. LED lights, still good. What else? These right here. These are the projectors that put the Honda logo on the ground. I didn't hook these up yet. That's gonna be on another video. Lights underneath, they still perfect. Voice, everything still works. The LED brake light strip, that's still there. You guys probably won't be able to see it right now because it's bright outside. And also, still got, instead of having one, I got 2 subs, same subs. I just need to buy the box. A box for this one over here. So this is like my ghetto setup. So I got a lot to do. I was about to spend, like I said, I was about to spend $3,000. So now I could buy parts for the car with the rest of the money that I was gonna spend on this car from the Honda dealership. And for this cracked windshield, I'm gonna get this fixed in like 2 weeks. I know you guys saw where the crack started over here, and now it went all the way right over here to the other side, the driver's side. There it is right there, a Honda mobile mechanic right here. Please let him know that you saw my video. I shouted the boy out, and he'll hook you guys up the way he hooked me up. What can I say, man? I give this dude 100 out of 100, you know? He deserves it, man. Appreciate it, bro. This your boy Jovenel, I'm out, man. That's it.